This lesson is going to be a little different than the others. You see, this time around, you're going to show me what you can do. On my screen, I have created a challenge drawing for you. This will give you an opportunity to use many of the skills we've worked on in this title. This exhibit represents a spot survey. This is a type of survey that's done after a foundation has been installed. It's used to verify the foundation is in the proper location before construction on the building continues. What you see here is a finished example of the exhibit. Now let me give you some instructions. I'm going to open another drawing. We'll open this file called O5 Survey Start. Once the drawing is open, I'll go to the View tab and then I'll come down to the User Interface panel and select Tile vertically. This way I get a side-by-side view of these drawings. This drawing on the left is a file that we received from the surveyor. As you can see, all the geometry is finished. All you have to do is put this geometry in a title block and add some notations. As far as the title block is concerned, you can find that in the Exercises Files folder within the Check Skills directory. Let me bring up my Windows Explorer. In this drawing called Number 5 Layouts, you'll find a title block that has been configured for this drawing. Once the title block has been added, you'll set the viewport scale to be 1 inch equals 40 feet. As far as the text and dimensions are concerned, the layers have already been created. If I look in the surveyor drawing, you'll see that there's a layer called Notes and Labels, and there is another called Dimensions. All of the text in the exhibit has a height of 0.125. All of the arrowheads have a height of 0.125. For the most part, the settings are going to be the same as what we've used throughout this title. That being said, the street name is a little bit larger. It has a height of 0.15 and it's using the Arial black font such that it shows up heavier on the sheet. If you have questions about any of the settings, you can always examine this finished example. So, I'd like you to take this drawing on the left and produce a spot survey that matches the example on the right. Finally, I'd like you to print the exhibit as a PDF file, such that it can easily be viewed by the owner of the property. At this point, I'm ready to turn you loose to get started. Take your time with this, do your best, and when you're ready, watch the next video and I'll show you how I approach the same challenge.